Hi guys, welcome to Yana Tube. Anyways, today is very dusty outside our house. As in how dusty here in Bahrain. See? And it's so hot too. How hot. It's very hot. So now I'm leaving. I'm already done with my job, like cleaning the house, and I went to the gym. I had the sauna, and now I'm going to deliver stuff to someone who bought it for me. So check out my Haze Closet online. It's it's here from in Bahrain, and always like and subscribe the channel Yana Tube, please. It's so dusty and so hot, so hopefully this dusty is going to be done. See guys how very dusty here right now in Bahrain. My gosh, only here in the desert in the Middle East. It is an experience. Experience. See, new experience. See, it's new experience. So dusty. I need to put it up now. I'm having like red skin right now because of this dust. But anyways, we only have like 15 more months here in Bahrain. Or maybe less. We'll see how it goes, and we'll see where we're gonna go again, where Yana Tube will explore new place, or maybe we're gonna go back to Guam to my parents. We'll see how it goes. Okay, bye. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Bye bye.